Hello everybody, welcome to my brand spanking new YouTube channel all about Pi. On this channel I'll be creating a Python fundamentals course and other such programming related tutorials. I plan for all these videos to be as short as possible, so let's get into it. In this video I'll show you how to get Python and Jupyter installed and added to Path. If you already know how to do that, feel free to skip this video. First, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language that is designed to be easy to use and write. It's an industry standard for data analysis and AI, which is why I particularly love it. To download Python, you'll go to python.org/downloads, and you'll pick the most up-to-date version for your OS. For me, that's Windows. It'll be right here. If you're on Mac or Linux, you can find it in the downloads section. So you click that button, download it, open it up like any other exe installer. You'll have install as an option here. I've already got it installed, so I'll just exit. At the end of it, it should have a checkbox that says disable max path length limits if you're on Windows. Go ahead and do that. What that's going to do is make sure that it's able to be added to the path automatically, and then you won't have to mess around with your environment settings at all. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open command prompt, Windows CMD, to open a command prompt, and then we're going to type py-m pip install Jupyter. Now I already have this installed, so it's just going to say requirement already satisfied for me. For you it should install, it shouldn't take too terribly long. If it gives you an error, that means that Python wasn't added to your path automatically by the setup, which does happen sometimes. I'll go over that at the end. Next we're going to type Jupyter Lab, like so. And that is going to set up a Jupyter Lab instance. And it should open up a new tab in your browser like it did for me and bring you to to this environment that you saw at the beginning of the video, which is Jupyter Lab. This is the environment I'm going to use to teach you guys Python all throughout the series. It's a really easy way to type in code and quickly have output shown to the screen. It's very, very good for instructors to have all this markdown. That's what they call it, all this structured text. Now, if you weren't able to add Python to your path earlier, the way that you're going to do that is you're going to go into environment settings. You can find that by searching environment settings or environment in the search bar, and it'll have an edit the system environment settings. It'll bring you to a box like this. You go down to environment variables, you find the one that says path, and then edit, new, and then put in the file path to your Python scripts folder. I've already done that, so I'm just going to hit cancel. And that's pretty much it for getting started.